Have you ever learned something new like riding a bike? At first you wobbled, but with practice you improved. No giant rule book needed. Computers can now do something similar, thanks to machine learning. Instead of following strict instructions, we give computers lots of data and let them find patterns on their own. For example, a computer can learn to recognize cats by analyzing thousands of cat photos. This isn't science fiction, it's happening now, powering things like show recommendations on streaming services. The secret? Algorithms, step-by-step recipes that help computers learn from data. These algorithms turn raw information into useful predictions, just like your brain learns from experience. Machine learning is a powerful tool helping us make sense of a complex world. Let's dive into how it all works. So what's an algorithm? Simply put, it's a set of instructions for completing a task, like your morning routine. In computers, algorithms tell machines what to do, step by step. Machine learning uses special algorithms that adapt and improve as they get more data. Imagine teaching a computer to sort MMs by color. At first, it makes mistakes, but with more examples, it gets better. These learning algorithms are dynamic. They evolve, refining their rules as they process more data. That's what makes machine learning so powerful. The ability to learn and improve automatically. Whether it's sorting candy, filtering spam, or diagnosing diseases, algorithms are the backbone of artificial intelligence. Without them, machine learning wouldn't exist. They're the clever recipes that let computers learn. Machine learning is divided into three main types: supervised learning, unsupervised learning, and reinforcement learning. Each type has its own approach, use cases, and popular algorithms. Let's break them down. First, supervised learning. Think of it as learning with a teacher. The computer is given labeled data, input paired with the correct output, like photos marked cat or not cat. It learns to map inputs to outputs, so it can predict results for new data. Common use cases include email spam detection, predicting house prices, and classifying images or text. Popular supervised learning algorithms include linear regression, logistic regression, decision trees, random forest, support vector machines, k-nearest neighbors, and neural networks. Next, unsupervised learning. Here, the computer gets data without any labels, just inputs. It explores the data to find hidden patterns or groupings on its own. This is useful for customer segmentation, organizing products, or detecting unusual activity. Some popular unsupervised learning algorithms are k-means clustering, hierarchical clustering, principal component analysis, and DBSCAN. Finally, reinforcement learning. This is all about trial and error, like training a pet. The computer tries different actions, receives rewards or penalties, and learns the best strategy over time. It's used in game playing, robotics, and recommendation systems. Popular reinforcement learning algorithms include Q-learning, deep Q networks, and policy gradient methods. Each type of learning solves different problems and powers much of today's smart technology, from sorting emails and discovering customer groups to mastering games and controlling robots. Machine learning adapts to the task at hand, making it a flexible tool for innovation. From recognizing images to mastering games, these learning types are at the heart of AI. They help computers move from clueless to expert, just like we do. That's the magic behind machine learning's success. Machine learning isn't just for labs or sci-fi, it's part of your daily life. Recommendation engines on streaming services use it to suggest shows you'll love. Voice assistants like Siri and Alexa rely on machine learning to understand and respond to your questions. Social media platforms personalize your feed and filter out harmful content using these algorithms. Even navigation apps like Google Maps use machine learning to predict traffic and suggest the fastest routes. These systems analyze massive amounts of data in real time to make your experience smoother and smarter. From entertainment to communication to travel, machine learning is everywhere. It works quietly behind the scenes, making life easier and more personalized. You're already benefiting from it every day. Machine learning is already transforming our world, and its impact is only growing. In medicine, it helps doctors diagnose diseases earlier and tailor treatments to individuals. It's revolutionizing climate science, energy, and agriculture, helping us make smarter, more sustainable choices. Machine learning amplifies human intelligence, automating tedious tasks and unlocking new possibilities. As it evolves, we'll face challenges like privacy and fairness, but the benefits are immense. It's a tool for solving humanity's biggest problems, from healthcare to the environment. The future will be built on our ability to learn, and now our machines can learn with us. Like, share and subscribe for more tech tips and learning.